Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Ottawa is the capital city of Canada and a truly special place filled with history, culture, and natural beauty. Ottawa is located in the province of Ontario, right on the border with Quebec. It's Canada's fourth largest city, with over 1 million people calling it home. Being the capital, Ottawa is where many of Canada's most important government buildings and institutions are located, including Parliament Hill. Parliament Hill is one of the city's most famous landmarks. It's a stunning area with historic buildings that are home to Canada's government. Ottawa is also known for its incredible museums. The Canadian Museum of History, the National Gallery of Canada, and the Canadian War Museum are just a few of the top attractions. Each one offers a chance to learn about Canada's rich history, art, and culture. The Rideau Canal is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the city's gems. In the summer, it's perfect for boating or walking along the paths, and in the winter, it transforms into the world's largest outdoor skating rink. Ottawa is a bilingual city, where both English and French are widely spoken. This adds to the city's charm and makes it a welcoming place for people from all over the world. It's also known for being one of the safest and cleanest cities in Canada. If you're a sports fan, Ottawa has plenty to offer, too. The Ottawa Senators hockey team and the Ottawa Redblacks football team keep the city buzzing with excitement. Overall, Ottawa is a city that has something for everyone. Whether you're into history, culture, nature, or food, you'll find it all here. It's a place that combines the charm of a small town with the excitement of a big city.